Tanya here with a Trinity Stamps product close-up from the Sending Smooches release. This video features the best place to be stamps and dies. There are 4 adorable images in this stamp set and a sentiment, and they all have coordinating dies. The stamps and dies are sold individually. The pair of gnomes is adorable with their hats knotted at the top. We have this sweet little bird holding a branch, a bee with its active little wings, this charming branch of flowers with the very intricate die, and the together is the best place to be sentiment. I have stamped and die cut all of these images and sentiment so that you can see what it looks like. You can see that there are even little die cut areas inside the branches and blossoms, which I adore. The sentiment is nicely cut all the way around, and there are narrow sections between the groupings of words so that you can trim them apart and use those die cuts in whatever fashion you would like. Here are a couple of samples that I've created for you. This is a mini slim line card with decoration on the inside and the outside. I did fussy cut those branches, but you can get a very similar effect with the die. I also used this stamp set in combination with the Rainbow Builder Slimline die set and created this really sweet love or anniversary or wedding card. And I also made the same card in a 5x7 format. Very similar, and you can see that this image fits on many different card sizes. Here are a few more samples from the design team. For more inspiration using these dies and stamps, be sure to check out Trinity Stamps Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation group on Facebook, the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel, and the Trinity Stamps blog. Check the description box below for links to this product and for all of our social media accounts. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And here are 2 more videos we thought you might enjoy.